Very good morning to all the students of class 8. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and taking care of yours. Today we are going to begin with your chapter 7, that is conservation of plants and animals. In this chapter, we shall study about the biodiversity, the species, those species who have already extinct or who are at high risk of extinctions, and why it is important to conserve these species of plants and animals, and the causes of this loss of biodiversity. So, the first thing which comes in our mind in this chapter is that what is biodiversity? Biodiversity is the degree of variation of life. From the day we are born, okay, till the end of our life, we see so many creatures, so many species on the surface of earth, on this earth. God has given us a beautiful nature, beautiful planet, but we people are being very irresponsible towards it. So biodiversity is the degree of variation of life. The different type of species, the different type of organisms which are found on the earth is biodiversity. So biodiversity is the degree of variation of life. This can refer to a genetic variation, species variation, or ecosystem variation within an area, biome, or planet. Terrestrial biodiversity tends to be the highest near the equator, which seems to be the result of the warm climate and high primary productivity. Marine biodiversity tends to be the highest along coast in the western Pacific, where sea surface temperature is highest, and in mid-latitudinal band in all oceans. Biodiversity generally tends to cluster in hotspots and has been increasing through time, but will be likely to be slow in the future. Rapid environmental changes typically cause mass. Now, what are the reason of so the clearing of forest and using the land for other purposes is called deforestation. We know that deforestation is one of the major cause of depletion of biodiversity. That means it's the major reason for the fall of species or the fall of number of species in biodiversity. यानी biodiversity के loss में सबसे important negative role प्ले किया है वो है डिफॉरेस्टेशन ने. एंड डिफॉरेस्टेशन इज़ द like enormous cutting of trees without thinking anything. Now, what are the causes why deforestation is done? Deforestation की क्यों जाती है? We know that the population of India and population of world is increasing very rapidly. Okay, so to fulfill the food demands, the house demands, okay, the shelter demand, so continuously the forests are being removed. The major causes for deforestation, the procuring land for cultivation. Of course, we need more food to fulfill the demands of increasing population. So for cultivation purpose, the forests are cut, building houses and factories, using wood as fuel or making furniture, etc. The natural causes of deforestation are forest fires and droughts. Now, what are the consequences of deforestation? The consequences of deforestation are, of course, what will happen if the forests slowly will disappear from the earth. अगर forests की संख्या दिन पे दिन कम होती जाएगी तो क्या होगा? We know that a single tree, how important it is, what is the importance of trees. Okay, so we know that forests play a very crucial, very important role in maintaining the temperature of earth, or it maintains the ecosystem also. Increases in the temperature and pollution level on the earth. If forests keep on decreasing the same way, there will be a very high rise in the temperature and pollution level will also increase, because we know that trees absorbs the heat, and also they purify the air. So if continuously deforestation will take place, the pollution will increase day by day. Increase in the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere leading to global warming. We know that plants absorb carbon dioxide and releases oxygen in turn, and it also helps to control the global warming. What is global warming? The rise in temperature of earth is called global warming. Lowering of groundwater level. We also know that the forests play an important role in the water cycle also. It disturbs the balance in nature. It decreases the rainfall, leading to drought, soil erosion, and decreases in soil fertility, leading to desertification, decreases in the water holding capacity of the soil, leading to floods. What is poaching? Poaching, it is a illegal hunting done across the world to capture or kill animals for commercial purpose. Hunting is done for various purposes. Hunting of elephant is done for the teeth, skin, and many other reasons also. Pollution, biodiversity is adversely affected by pollution of land, water, and air. Of course, we know that all species, all living organisms need a proper, a fresh atmosphere to survive. Say if we do not have oxygen around us, if we do not have a level of good a level of oxygen in the atmosphere, what will happen? Of course, it will lead to the death of the living organisms. Say for example, same in aquatic life also. There is so much pollution, water pollution is increasing so much that the aquatic fishes, aquatic animals are not able to respire, they are not able to survive. Natural disasters. Natural disasters such as earthquake, floods, cyclones, etc. also lead to loss of biodiversity in the affected areas. Thank you and have a nice